Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Teacher Sprintout. In this video, we will share 30 examples of adjectives in sentences. To learn more about different types of adjectives, please watch my last video. The link has been given in the description box. Now let's start. Use of adjectives. She is wearing a red cap. I have a good news for you. I will give you some money. She has not enough time for hobbies. She ate 5 cookies. I need a dozen eggs for the recipe. The cake is delicious. We have got a few minutes left. The soft music helped me relax. He is a brilliant student. The round ball bounced high. The fox is a clever animal. He has lost all his wealth. The foolish crow tried to sing. Kolkata is a large city. There are no pictures in this book. The heavy box was difficult to lift. The brave soldier fought for his country. She helped me do the dirty dishes. The park has a square garden. He was born with a weak heart. He didn't eat any rice. The horse is a friendly animal. The small leak may sink a great ship. They had a difficult test today. I have 6 books to read this month. Italy is a very beautiful country. A rabbit has long ears and a short tail. The bright sunshine filled the room. The baby has a cute face. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel to get more useful content.